look what we have here, especially Buick fans. Wow, you just don't see a lot of these anymore. 1972 Buick Electra 225 Custom Limited. Hear these called deuce and a quarters a lot. Now in 72, all Electras, no matter how many doors they came with, were hardtops. This particular car, still the way it would have came from Buick in 72 as far as the way it looks. This would be royal blue, paint code number 28. Interior is 631, which would be blue interior on an Electra Custom Limited. And then B for black vinyl roof. So this car is still the way it would have came from Buick in 72. Now, as far as the paint, it does show its age some. This is a car that came out of a long-term collection. And it is not a Midwest car, but you can kind of see in the paint here. We got a little darker spots. I mean, the paint does show its age some. And did not come from the Midwest. Like I just mentioned, this is a previous Southern car. Now, let's take a look at this front bumper, grill. Of course, the egg crate grill look. And you can see bright work is presentable up here. But there are spots where it has been touched up. Tell is a well cared for car. No doubt about that. Wait till you see the interior. Check out the underside. Now, if you want to look through the still pictures, you can probably catch over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Do not expect this one to stick around here real long. Underneath the hood, 455 4-barrel. That is paired up with turbo 400 automatic transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Have not had the AC blowing cold in this one, mostly due to the blower fan, FYI. As you can see, fender skirts in the rear. Riding on the chrome rally style wheel with flat black inserts, white wall radials, BF Goodrich. Look at this interior. We're going to show you a couple cool kind of interesting things on this car too. So we get the cloth and vinyl combination. Split bench seat up front. Look at this dash, by the way. When's the last time you seen a 72 Buick Electra with a dash that's not cracked, faded, sun-baked, anything like that? Get around to the other side. I'm going to show you some accessories / options on this car that are rather interesting too. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as the black vinyl top on this car, extremely nice shape. Also looks original. Now remember, we do have a open door policy for third-party inspectors. If you'd like to have somebody come take a look at this car for you because you can't make it yourself, maybe a little too far away, hey, feel free to do that. Let the inspector take a look, compare to what you see in the pictures, what you've seen in the video here. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, check underneath the hood, show you some interior things. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And really the only thing on this car, that blower fan, as I mentioned, and like I said, the paint is just older, so it shows some imperfections, but you know what, it kind of gives it that original 72 feel. It doesn't have a fresh brand new paint job like it just came out of the paint booth. It's very fitting of the car as far as the finish on it, and it still shows well. Just want to let you know there are imperfections, and it does show its age in areas. All right, take a look at this rear seat. Again, door panels, headliner also in nice shape, and all looks original in the interior. It looks like Survivor interior. It does have the blue carpeting. I have pictures in the still pictures with the floor mats in and out. Check out the storage compartments behind the seats. And this is something I've never seen on an older car like this. It appears to be a rear child lock. You push this pin in right there and it will not let you unlock that door. So if you had kids in the rear, you could not get kids out from inside. And then you pop this back out and you can unlock the door. One thing I noticed on this one, the other thing you're going to see up here, automatic dimming headlights. They are functioning. That does work. Get your high beams on and you meet a car at night coming up on you. The lights are going to trip that. And your high beams are going to go off. All right, power windows, remote mirrors, power seat, power lock. Something else I want to show you that is working on this car, it does have the speed alert. Take a look at this yellow line right there if you wanted to set that. So if you start to get going a little too fast down the road in this car, get up to 80, set it on 80, it's going to buzz. It's going to let you know that you're going faster than you really want to be. Kind of interesting feature on this one. Also wanted to show you this. Take a look at that. The clock is working, seconds going by on there. All right, so we have AM FM cassette, and you can hear the radio's working fine. But what was the 80s or 70s, I should say, without an 8-track tape? A little Neil Sedaka. Click that in. How about that? We even have a working 8-track player. Remove it right there, pops back out. All right, just had to show you the 8-track player, what I call 1972 navigation device. Before they had navigation in cars or on your phone, there you go, compass. All right, wipers also work, let you know that. Horn works, granted, sounds like a freight train. Listen to this thing run. You can hear that. Smooth. A little bit of a rumble coming out of that. Big V8 underneath the hood. Speaking underneath the hood, let's go take a peek at that. See how that 455 looks. So I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take a couple hands to get this hood open. But I wanted to take a look underneath there for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's that 455 4-barrel. You can see smooth running V8. There's also receipts dating back to, I believe it was 1992, so approximately 30 years ago. That'll be in the folder that will go with this. Just some of the maintenance things, some of the things that were done on it, what oil was used, just your typical receipts somebody would have made notes of. I shouldn't really say receipts, I should say notes in a booklet dating back to 92. Kind of a journal, there you go, a journal if you will of what was done, what was used as far as oil, when some service was done on it, that type of thing. So let's call it that, a journal, kind of history on the car, and what was done dating back to 1992. So there you go, just don't see them like this every day, let alone as original as this one is. 1972 Buick Electra 225 Custom Limited 4-door hardtop, known as the Deuce and a Quarter. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.